This morning in Houston, a dangerous new normal.
They know you're going to come to work, you're going to transport a patient, you're going to be there several hours.
At one hospital.
At one hospital.
COVID-19 leaving hospitals so packed. First responders and patients facing excruciating waits.
Y'all been there about 2 hours, though?
We joined Fire Captain Chris Ponzica as he took calls from ambulance crews with no place to go.
They'll call me in the middle of the night and tell me, hey, Captain, we're still waiting for a bed. It's been 3.5 hours. What do you want us to do?
3 hours?
3 hours, 3.5 hours. We've had them up to 4.5 hours.
At this Houston County hospital, paramedic Philly Salinas had to get his patient extra oxygen after the first bottle ran out.
When you have a patient now, what's really the message from every hospital?
Well, that they don't have any space. They don't have any beds.
Nationwide, more than 100,000 COVID patients are hospitalized. Florida with a grim new record, 901 deaths in a single day. State hospitals now reporting more than 90% of those admitted were unvaccinated.
The patients we're getting are younger, and they're turning sicker much faster.
In Illinois, the governor issuing a new indoor mask mandate and vaccine requirements for healthcare and education workers.
This is a pandemic of the unvaccinated.
That reality underscored here in Houston by a heartbreaking announcement. The city confirming its first case of a child dying of COVID with no underlying health conditions.
Do you think your patient has COVID?
For those on the front lines facing an already overwhelmed hospital system, there's no end in sight.
COVID is real. It's killing people. We're seeing a vast majority of our patients that don't have the vaccine. We're transporting them to the hospital and they're barely breathing sometimes. So I would tell them to get vaccinated.
And paramedics stress the COVID impact goes from their current patient on to the next. They say their biggest fear is someone having a dire emergency, say a heart attack, and it taking longer for an ambulance to reach them because so many of them are tied up at hospitals like this one.
Hey, thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Find your favorite recipes, celebrity interviews, uplifting stories, shop our favorite deals, and so much more with the Today app. Download it now.